Today I am going to teach how to make the e-commerce website using React. Okay, this is the front end design. Okay, so how to make this one professionally using React. Right, now let's back to our project folder. I have already created the folder React e-commerce. Inside the folder I'm going to go to type cmd command and I'm going to install the React. So you have to type the React installation using the white. So white, which is a framework, we have easily installed the React. So we have type npm init white. Press enter key. So we have to configure the project. Where you have type the npm init white. So you have to configure project using white. Okay, so here the project name I am going to give as e-commerce. E-commerce. Okay, e-commerce. Okay. Here select the framework. I am going to select the framework which is a React. You have to easily select the frameworks using your up and down arrow. I am going to select the down arrow to select React. Press enter key. Here I am not select the TypeScript at the moment. Instead of the TypeScript, I am going to select as JavaScript. Press enter key on your keyboard. After that, you have to follow the instruction. Okay, so here the folder has been created successfully. So here you have to go inside the folder. So you have to type the command cd e-commerce. This is the website name e-commerce. Cd it's nothing but a change directory. Okay, if you go inside the folder, in the DOS command it said if you go inside the folder you have to type cd. So cd which is nothing but a change directory. Cd e-commerce. Press enter key. After that, now you are go inside the folder which is a e-commerce folder. Now here you have to install the npm install. Okay, what's the meaning of npm install? In order to run the React app, you have to install the node libraries. Okay, all the node library and dependency we needed in order to work with the React app. So first I have to type npm install. You have to type by this command to install all the React libraries. Okay, you have to wait some time to get installed. npm package has been installed successfully. Now I am going to run the app using by this command npm runtime. You have to use this command npm runtime. Press enter key on your keyboard. Now here all the port has been generated automatically. So you just copy this. You have to go over here. You have to open the new tab and paste on it, and you have to click on this. This is the welcome page of React application along with the white. Okay, this is the welcome page. I hope you guys who understood so far. I'll see you in my next lecturing. Thank you.
Hi, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to teach how to open the React app into VS Code editor. This is the project I have created e-commerce. You double click on this, go inside the folder. This all the folder and files I'm going to open up the VS Code editor. So go to the address bar over here. You have to select this. You have to type cmd command. Press enter key to open up the command prompt window. Here, how to open these files and folder in VS Code editor? You have to type the command code space dot, press enter key. Here all the project and files open up the VS Code editor. Right, click trust yes. Okay, this how we have opened the files and folder into VS Code editor. This is the folders, node modules, public, src. These are the files. This is the index.html. This is the very important file of React. Okay, the React is a single page application. This is a single HTML page. You can see, right? These are the files and folder architecture of React. I will see in my next lecturing discuss about the how the React flow works. Everything we have discussed about my next video tutorial. Thank you. Now you can see the script. Okay, here you can see inside the body there is a script. Here script they have mentioned the path, so it is working the index.html. So the script the src main.jsx. So you go to inside the src, there is a folder main.jsx. The main.jsx you can it go inside here. It's calling the app. It's rendering the app over here. So what happened is here, this app, what is the app? This is the app component. It's first time it will be loading the app component. So it's given the path where your app components reside. Okay, along with the CSS. Okay, now what you're going to do is, so this one, where's your app component? Here, this is the app component, app.jsx. What is the JSX? It's nothing but the extension of React. So go over here. This is the welcome screen. React. So when the application is running, this is the welcome screen. Okay, I have already done the when the application is running React. Okay, this is the welcome page of React. Okay, this is the welcome page of React. This is the page designed by. This is the code which inside the app.js file. Okay, so this is the style. Along with the style, the web page along with the style. Now instead of that, what you're going to do is, I'm going to go to this all things. I'm going to remove them. Okay, remove them. So I'm going to explain how to create the component. So function app, which is this is the main component. Okay, this is a name. This is a main component of React. So open bracket and close bracket. After that, what you're going to do is export default app. Okay, so this is the structure of React. So here default the app means this is the function you have created. This function you have to export the outside, then only we can access the app. So here I'm going to write the return function. Return, open bracket and close bracket. Inside here I'm going to write the division tag. Okay, division tag you can write this way as well. This is also possible. So but if you have to clearly you have to explain, you have to write as a division. Now here I'm going to type it here as, you have to type it here. You have to example you have to type whether it's working fine or not. H1 test. Okay, I'm going to put one header tag. Here I'm going to call the text. Now here I'm going to go to the main.jsx. Here I'm going to render the app file, the index.css. This file we don't need them. We have to get rid of this. If I put this style, it will be applied the styles of this file. All the styles will be applied. I don't need the styles of this file, so I'm going to get rid of this. Now let's file save all, bring back to the application. Here it's working successfully. Okay, it's working successfully. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to design my first part of this one. Here, this free new offer, new customer, this first component I'm going. This all things are components. This is one component, the second component, third component. This component, how to design it? Very simple. I'm going to create the new component. This component I'm going to name it as top bar.jsx. Top bar JSX. This is a component I'm going to create. Okay, this component I'm going to create the function. You have to write the function top bar, open and close bracket. Now here I'm going to outside it, export default top bar. Okay, you write top bar. Right. Now here I'm going to write the return function, return, open and close it. Now here I'm going to write it here, division tag, division tag, division tag. Here write here, you write h4, you write free new offer for new customers. Okay, now here this div tag class name, you have write it here, top bar, class name top bar, class name top bar. Now here what I'm going to do is here class name top bar. Now here we have to, this one should be the, what is the thing, this is the your top bar, here this is the style. So let's save all and bring back to the application, check it. Sorry, this top bar, which is a component, this component I'm going to call into my main component. So main component, which is app component, so here I have to type it the top bar. It automatically import the component. So this component folder not resided the inside the assets, it is reside on the SRC. Just cut off and paste it. Yeah, so here it will be automatically take the path. Okay, now let's file, save all, bring back to the application, check here, new free offer, new customer is coming. Now I'm going to style this one. So how to style it? So you already here class name your style. Here we have to make the another one, which is a top bar dot css. Here what you're going to do is I'm going to make the style of the web page of CSS. So how to style it? Dot top bar, open and close bracket. Here write background color black, padding top I'm going to give as a padding top 0.01 RAM. You give like this. Okay, your top, you have to adjust the top, you have to give the top margin, top padding. Okay, bottom padding you have to give as a bottom padding. Padding bottom. Let's give the 5 pixel. Later on we have to arrange it. Okay. Now here we have to give the h4 tag. This one we have to give the style of the font. So how to give the font style? Top bar. This one should be the h4. You have to inside h4 we have to give as a color white. After that text align, we have to write text align center. After that we have to write the text transformation. Text transformation we have to write it as uppercase. After that we have to write the font size. We have to make it as 0.08 RAM. After that you have to write it as a font weight. Font weight normal. You have to get normal. That's it. That's the thing you have to write it here. File, save all. Now let's check it. Here we have to import the CSS style. It's not auto completed. We have to put it the style. We have to import it here. How to import it? You have to type the command. You have to import it over here. Import. You have to write import. We have to dot mean the current directory slash top bar dot css. That's it. Now let's file, save all, bring back to the application. It is coming. this, sorry. Now here simple, I have made one mistake. So here, over here, too small, 8, font size 8. Now you can see here 8. Now you can working, but your right click and properties. You can go over here the style, and you can change the style and everything over here. The style sheet. Bring back to the style sheet over here. Now here you can see all the things. Top bar, width, height, everything is saying here. This I'm going to, this is the font, everything. Okay, so what you're going to see, I'm going to change a little bit. 1 RAM, font 5, Control S to save. Bring back to the application. Bottom also the same thing. I'm going to apply the bottom also. Control S to save. Now it would be enough. Okay, so if you want to increase the font a little bit bigger, you can increment here. 9 RAM, 0.9. Okay, perfect. The first one should be fine. Okay, the other should be fine. I hope you guys understood the things well. I'll see in my next lecturing time.